Matt, a lot of people thinking winter sports. Did we get some fresh snow up on the mountain?
We did. We got about 6 inches new overnight and during the day today up at Timberline Lodge. There is Timberline right now. And it's good and snowy and cold again, 20 degrees. The last couple weekends, I tell you, it's been like spring up there. I mean, especially not this weekend, but prior weekend, super warm. And this weekend was also warm and sunny. The snow was good, but nice to get some new snow up there and freshen things back up. Let's go out to the Oregon coast. Sun's gone down, but it's still beautiful at Cannon Beach, 44 degrees. The wind is calm, and all the sunset watchers, most of them anyway, have moved on. 0.03 of an inch of rain in Portland, but I'll update you on that in just a minute. 0.14 up at Tillamook and up to the north, similar amounts. Kelso at 0.27 of an inch, and that 0.95 at Stampede was all snow, and there was about a foot of new snow there. So speaking of the rainfall, here's our climate check. And we had 0.03 of an inch since midnight, but we picked up about 1/10 of an inch, 0.11 of an inch yesterday. So for the month, we will end nearly, unless we get a little bit more in the next few hours, at 5.08 inches, Laurel, which is above average, above the 5.03 average for January. So again, that makes it month number 5 in a row with average to above average precipitation here in Portland, which is great. Even though it's been dry for the last 9-10 days, we've got a little bit to hang our hat on from last night. Now, there's still snow showers up in the Cascades, so the winter weather advisory has been extended till 10 o'clock tonight. And then this is one of the headlines that I really want you to pay attention to. We could see some black ice on some of the roads here in the valley and in the city overnight tonight. Some of the roads are still wet. The clearing that we're getting, it's cool air. We're going to see temperatures drop to freezing super quickly, so be aware of that. There could be some slick spots on the roads through tomorrow morning. The snow level the next couple of days will get as low as 500 feet. Right now, about 1,500 feet. We're not going to see any significant snow in the valleys. In fact, if we get a few flakes in the air, oh, that's fun. There's a few snowflakes, but nothing that's going to have any impact on us here in town or the valley. And we've got another dry weekend ahead. There is some rain before that, but it looks like another dry weekend. Our high today, 48, 40s and 50s on the coast and 30s and 40s over in central and eastern Oregon. Tomorrow morning, partly sunny and 33. Sunrise now at 7:31 and sunset at 5:17. Scattered showers on and off throughout the day tomorrow, so our kind of quintessential sun and shower kind of day. Still have that winter weather advisory here and in the northeast mountains where the snow continues to fly, but this is going to settle down tonight. There's a weak system moving through right now. We'll get a couple more of these weak systems drifting on down from the northwest. It's a cool northwesterly flow, but it's not the late December northerly flow where we had these systems coming straight out of the north, picking up moisture and dropping lots of cold snow all over the place, including in the city. We're not quite there. This area of high pressure is just a little too close to us. That would need to back off more in order for us to tap into the really cold air that's going east of the Rockies. That said, we'll get a little bit of snow tonight, tomorrow, and into Wednesday morning up in the Cascades. Then it dries out until Friday, a weak system. Then after a dry weekend, looks like another system potentially early next week. The rainfall going forward, not huge, about 0.2 of an inch. So again, we're not going to see any major precipitation coming our way. Down in Texas, they got another system forming there along the Gulf Coast. That's going to form into another messy system for the East Coast in the days ahead as they're still digging out from that nor'easter over the weekend. Portland right now, really dramatic looking sky. It's kind of beautiful. 43 degrees here in town to the freezing level at 2,900 feet. So tonight we'll have some showers left over. There won't be a lot of them, but there'll be a few. Overnight lows, though, again, down around freezing, hence the concern for black ice. Highs tomorrow in the low to mid 40s. And again, sun and showers and mix tomorrow. Wednesday, partly sunny. That is Groundhog Day. Now, will the critter see his shadow? Well, it depends on exactly when he comes out of his little hidey hole. So it's possible we'll see the shadow, but if it's clouded over, I mean, it's just one of those days we'll be in and out of the clouds. Same thing on Thursday. There are the showers Friday, and then a dry weekend on the way too, Laurel. So all in all, not a bad way to start the month of February.
And I'm glad we taught that average rainfall for January. You know how much I wanted to beat that 503.
Oh, you don't like to leave those hanging.
No.